dobre, good morning everybody. Just another day in Poland. Right, so I just finished my Polish classes today. I'm hungry. I decided to cook Asian food today. So I will cook a rendang Singapore. So I'll show you what's the ingredients that I will have to prepare. Yesterday I bought the rendang paste. Surprising me is that rendang paste here is unique flavors of Singapore. Let's see how it tastes, because mostly rendang is they said originally from Indonesia, and then when many Indonesian moving abroad, they live in Singapore, they live in Malaysia, and I think that it's becoming a fusion, right? So yes, we've got the chicken here, 500 half kilogram of chicken. So rendang paste, we've got the coconut milk, we've got the oil, salt, pepper, and because I didn't have these leaves, lime leaves, I just decided to use the lemon instead. And I've got the chosnek. Chosnek is the onion, this another onion, and I wanna put what is it called, wort. I start mixing my language, Polish. Right, so first of all, I will chop the carrot, and it's just like optional. If you don't want to put the carrot or any other vegetable, it's okay, but I really like carrot, so I just want to put the carrot inside my rendang. This is fusion rendang alami. Right, I just want to marinate it, the chicken, so I will soak the chicken with salt and pepper for a few minutes. Basically that in this paste, if you have a look at behind, there is the instruction how to cook rendang. But again, I like to make my style, my fusion. So yeah, first of all, I will just soak the chicken in the salt and pepper, and also another onion powder, and I just want to marinate it for about 15 minutes. Let's see. Rendang is the Southeast Asia, especially Indonesian, Malaysian, and Singapore curry, basically. And then I just boiled the chicken. You can put the chicken, you can put the beef. Mostly rendang is beef, but today I cook my chicken rendang. So I already finished chop this. Some rendang they don't put like any vegetables, but in my style rendang I want to put a vegetable because I really love the vegetable. Rendang is based also with the coconut milk, so later on we will pour the coconut milk. So I slow cook the meat first to make the meat soft and tender. It's about maybe 15 minutes. I just cook the meat, the chicken. After that, I will put the rendang paste. Mostly, if you have the fresh ingredients, so rendang is made of the galangal and the lemongrass and then the curcuma. So I think that because the paste is already contained of that ingredient, you see, like they have onion, galangal, palm oil, lemongrass, tamarind, turmeric, and everything. So I just put my veggie on that as the addition. I hope that the rendang lover not mad at me because I fusion, I make I put the vegetable on that, because mostly rendang is not with vegetable. So I already cook little bit with the marinated chicken, and then now it's time to cook the onion, the chili, and then I will put the carrot. Okay, so then after we fried the onion, carrot, and also the chili, I mix the paste. For the paste and then mix it. So now I will cook it with the slow fire. It's about 15 minutes. and then I will add the coconut milk. So now you pour the coconut milk, just use about a quarter only, 100 milliliter. And then we stir it slowly. Taste of the coconut milk, so good. And this is my fruit as well. So good. I make my cooking video because my mom always thinking that, you know, I don't cook Asian food. So yeah, this is it for you. The rendang, Singaporean rendang, but actually the taste is a bit the same, like you know, chicken curry that we have in Bali or in Indonesia. Smash nego. It's my lunch. Actually now I will go to the Rinek or market next to apartment, and I will go to the Pieng Karnia, which is bakery. Wow, it's very bright, sunny day today, and it's hot. It's very hot actually. I don't know, probably 28, 29 degrees. And this one in front is the coffee shop and also bakery shop. I will buy the bread here. So this is the pastry shop, bakery shop. I will buy something for Damian. So let's see. Bought one poncek for Damian and also two bulky kasirki. Today I will just prepare bread and ham for him because I know that he will not eat Indonesian, I mean like curry food. It's a bit spicy, so yeah. And I think that tomorrow he will leave to London, so better for him to eat his Western food. So yeah, I just prepare bulky for him. Here in front of me also another bakery shop, the tram, the restaurant, and another shop. It is very hot. There are so many fresh fruit here, and market time. So many fresh products, fruit, ogurki, slivka, morella, pork sopinya. The flower shop, another fresh products. Interesting. Slivka, cherries. Nice. Cherries. Pomidore. I feel like I wanna buy cherries. It's very expensive now. Let's look at this kukuriza. Nice. Cherriesnya. Let's see what we're gonna buy. Nice. Cauliflower, morella, cherriesnya. Nice. Cherriesnya.
No widzi pani? Widzi pani kasę
Kukuriza. Zemyaki, tomato. Nice. So I bought a fresh fruit for Damian actually. So now it's time to go home. Hanye. You confused ya? Which one do you choose?
Chocolate with
Raspberry.
Hello. Ice cream o'clock. So actually it's 9 p.m. right, Kohani? And still bright. And look at
the
behind
sunset.
me. The sunset behind me.
Oh, so nice, isn't it?
It's beautiful and people still outside exercising. And oops. Yes. So this is the light. We will eat ice cream and walk to the park Sawachki. It's just like walking 2 minutes, right, Kohani? So every day we have to spend our quality time together.
And that's the thing, that's the real, huh?
Nice, let's go. Hanye, you enjoying eating ice cream, no? But look at the people behind you. They're walking, riding bicycle. At this time, nice. And the park there in front, it's nice. Let's go. Work-life balance, tak?
So I have to look at the beautiful sky.
So, the sunset, the lake, the school of ducks, it's nice. And the sound of the waterfall. Look at you eating ice cream like a small kid. You enjoy it? You happy?
You happy as I have a time for you back?
Tak. So tomorrow you are going to London?
After tomorrow.
Okay. So Hanye, look at the color of the sky.
I told you, so beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. Beautiful sunset is everywhere, around the world. Right? Before, you drink beers, bintang on the beach, enjoy sunset. Now you eating ice cream.
Still enjoying the sun.
Enjoying the same side. Tak, but a different life quality.
Exactly.
Less stress, no traffic jam, drive, eating a nice quality food, meat, nice. Right? And look at the people around. Beautiful.
What you making? I'm making video, lah.
Oh, yes. I'm making the shape of the sun. I think people will get dizzy if you move too fast.
Well, yeah.
Let's continue walking. So after you eat your ice cream, let's burn your sweets and enjoy the breeze, the sound of nature, and also the, oxygen quality.
Okay, let's go.
I'm so glad to see that Damian can enjoy the park. You have to walk every evening before sleep, okay? To burn your...
During the winter. When it's
Yes.
snowing, snow is falling. all
Okay.
around. Actually, I used to walk here during the winter. Some of you guys, if you're still watching me till this moment, you should remember that I used to be on this bridge during the winter when the lake was partially frozen. You were still in Bali at that time.
Tak, but now we can walk together and spend time together.
Walk together.
Okay, I think that's all our video today, guys.
Face the lake, lah.
Basically,
Face the lake. Face
Yeah.
the sunset. Actually, it's so problem with make it the good shot. Okay, face this one then. No. More this one. Oh, you see? See. Much better. This is the skill I have. 1,200 videos actually over 4 years. So I know how to set up the camera properly. So I still have some. Now you're filming.
okay. I think that's all, guys, and it's time to walk more. I think let's walk more. Yeah, seems like you got sugar rush already. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow.
See ya. Bye.
The good thing is that this park has lights, so you can walk also at night, right? And I see that more and more people walking with the doggo here. Nice, so peaceful.